Gun violence is once again top of mind for so many of you, especially after the Louisville bank shooting where 5 people were killed, 9 other people hurt. But it's become all too common for Americans to experience gun-related violence. According to the Gun Violence Archive, in less than 4 full months of 2023, there have been 146 mass shootings. The Kaiser Family Foundation found 1 in 5 American adults say they've been personally threatened with a gun. Almost the same numbers say they've also had a family member killed by a gun, including suicide. The study also found gun violence disproportionately affects people of color. About a third of black adults have seen someone being shot. The American Medical Association calls gun violence a public health crisis.
I'm a doctor. I don't know what the answers are. But to everyone who helps make policy, both at state, city, federal, I would simply ask you to do something. Because doing nothing, which is what we've been doing, is not working.
President Biden, meantime, calling on Congress to work together on gun safety legislation, including a ban on assault weapons and background checks for all gun sales. Here at home, community leaders in Buffalo say violence among teenagers has become a growing problem.
We told you last month how the Buffalo Library had to close early because of fights breaking out inside the library. Now anti-violence groups in Western New York are trying to turn this trend around. 7 News reporter Kritzia Williams is live this morning. She's telling us how they're working to do that. Hi, Kritzia. Good morning.
Ed, Katie, good morning. Organizations like PAL and the Peacemakers are working to create a better future for our teens. Now, those avenues start in gyms just like this one.
They're fighting because they're angry, they're frustrated, agitated. They don't have many markers of hope for themselves.
James Giles is the coordinator of Western New York's Peacemakers. He tells me there are many reasons teen violence is on the rise, and one big one starts with us adults.
We have not been good examples for our young people. We argue, we fight, we fuss, we say things about each other in front of them, and then when we make up, we do that in bedrooms and boardrooms. They can't see that part.
Giles also says teens don't have a safe space to go and do things that they like or hang out with their friends. After seeing an uptick in fighting at the downtown Buffalo and Erie County Public Library, the director tells me they cut their hours in early March. Using that time to plan security increases and a partnership with the Peacemakers, the library's hours have gone back to normal.
We really saw an incredible connection that the Peacemakers have with the entire community, and we saw a difference in that week.
It's on us, it's on the community at large to begin to create that space for them.
The Police League of Buffalo, or PAL, Executive Director Nakia Kemp is working to offer teens this space, all while letting them stay active and get connected with leaders in the community.
The biggest thing is to give them something to do, to keep them physically active, to keep them mentally stable, to have the opportunity to be around caring adults, especially our law enforcement.
Football, track, basketball, academic help, and so much more is offered for free to the Buffalo community kids through PAL. Mentorship is also a large push as the age range for the program is from 5 to 21 years old.
The biggest thing is that kids want to be heard. Kids want to be, they want to be a part of something positive.
According to the CDC, more than 1,000 kids each day are treated in hospitals for assault injuries. And that's exactly why PAL is creating a safe and encouraging space for our youth right here at home.
That they have the opportunity to be anything they want to be and that they're supported.
Kim tells me it's spaces like this that give our youth a firm foundation and encourage them to do better, have mentors, and things like that. I'm live in Buffalo. Kritzia Williams, 7 News.
Kritzia Williams with those b-ball skills.
Good job, Kritzia.
Kritzia, thank you.